Lesson 85. Our objectives are: find patterns for multiplying a whole number by 10, 100, and 1000. Find patterns for multiplying money by amounts of 10, 100, and 1000. Let's get started. When we multiply by 10, we simply add a 0 to the end of the number. So, since I was multiplying 123 times 10, I have 123 and a 0. So my final answer is 1,230. If I'm multiplying by 100, well, I've got two overhanging zeros here, so I end up with two overhanging zeros down here. My same 123 becomes 12,300. If I multiply by 1,000, guess what? I have three overhanging zeros. I put three zeros down here. I still have my 123, so 123,000. Now, money is just a teeny bit different, but not much. If I just bring down my two zeros, write down my number, and move my decimal point in two places because it's in two places on this one, I have $123 when I multiply $1.23 times 100. Here's some problems to try multiplying mentally. Well, if I take 37 times 10, well, I'm doing this mentally, so I'm just going to write down 37 and add a 0 to the end. How about B? $6.12 times 100. Well, I'm going to write 61200 because I have two zeros in 100. Then I'm going to move my decimal in two spots, and I'm going to put my dollar sign, $612. Okay, now for part C. We need to take 45 cents times 1,000. Well, when I take 45 times 1,000, I'm going to write down my 4, my 5, and add three zeros. But this is money, so I need to move my decimal point in two places and put my dollar sign. Ooh, that was a really bad dollar sign. So $450 would be what I get when I take 45 cents times 1,000. Okay, on page 545, there are letters A through G. Now, A through F tell you to multiply mentally. So all you need to do this time, and only this time since it says to do it mentally, is just write down the answer. Okay? I won't make you show your work on these since we're doing them mentally. But if we have major issues, we will probably have to go back and show our work. So, think about what you're doing. Write down the number, add the number of zeros. If it's got a decimal, two places in. Okay? Letter G wants you to look at the table that shows the relationship between dimes and dollars and write a formula to represent the relationship. Well, think about that. It's probably going to be something with dollars times something equals dimes. All right? So see if you can figure that out.